Powerbridge advances to set up 2,600 crypto mining machines in Hong Kong. Hello everyone and welcome back to my new video. You are watching Motivated Investing and now let's get in this video. Powerbridge Technologies Co. Limited is launching Bitcoin and Ether mining operations in Hong Kong with a plan to deploy 2,600 high-performance mining rigs. Powerbridge Technologies plans to deploy a total of 2,600 high-performance mining rigs in Hong Kong, including 600 BTC mining machines working at a hash rate of approximately 60 petahash per second. It also includes 2,000 ETH mining machines with a hash rate power of approximately 1,000 gigahertz per second. According to the announcement, Power Crypto aims to increase the BTC and ETH hash rate levels across the North American and Asian markets. Sean Wang, Power Crypto's General Manager and Chief Technology Officer, stated that Power Crypto is a major strategic move by the company to highlight our global presence in the crypto mining business. We will focus on enhancing our overall hash rate level in BTC and ETH mining by setting up mining fleets in North America and Asia. In its global BTC and ETH mining, the company plans to focus on maximizing the use of carbon-free clean energy power. Powerbridge Technologies President Stuart Lohr also commented, "We are very excited about our launch and positioning as a global presence in the cryptocurrency mining business. We expect our high-performance, environmental-friendly crypto mining fleets to significantly accelerate our revenue." Powerbridge Technologies states that it plans to increase its Bitcoin miners with an expected capacity of 10,000 miners and an expected hash rate of 728 petahash per second. Additionally, according to the company, its proprietary AI GPU operating system can support up to 100,000 ETH miners in operation. Power Crypto Holdings, a subsidiary of Powerbridge Technologies. Powerbridge Technologies established Power Crypto Holdings, its new Singapore-based subsidiary for its crypto mining and digital asset operations, late last month. Power Crypto focuses on green renewable energy-powered crypto mining farms with its intended worldwide operations. The announcement states that the subsidiary strives to become one of the most competitive Bitcoin and Ethereum mining companies. The president of Powerbridge Technologies believes that Powerbridge is well-positioned to accelerate the growth of its crypto businesses and generate promising revenue from it. A few days ago, the company announced the appointment of Sean X. Wang as General Manager and Chief Technology Officer of Power Crypto Holdings. Mr. Wang, a blockchain expert, was brought on to lead the operations and technology development of Power Crypto's crypto mining business. He reportedly has wide-ranging expertise in the fields of crypto mining and digital assets operations, having managed and operated mining fleets with nearly 40,000 Bitcoin and Ethereum mining rigs. Digital currencies in Hong Kong. Hong Kong has played a crucial role in the history of cryptocurrencies. It is the birthplace of some of the world's largest crypto companies. Tether, the world's largest stablecoin, was also launched here. Hong Kong is a metropolitan area and special administrative region of China. Therefore, unfavorable regulations have affected the digital asset space in the region. However, it has been making efforts to develop its central bank digital currency, EHKD, since 2017. The Zhuhai, China-based company announced Friday its fleet will include 600 high-performance Bitcoin mining machines with a hash rate of about 60 petahash per second and 2,000 high-performance Ethereum miners with a hash rate of approximately 1,000 gigahash per second. We expect our high-performance, environmental-friendly crypto mining fleets to significantly accelerate our revenue. Powerbridge Technologies President Stuart Lohr said in a statement on Friday, "The company is a software-as-a-service and blockchain applications provider, with the digital asset business headquartered in Singapore." Powerbridge announced in August it was expanding into Bitcoin and Ether mining. The technology company's share price rose as much as 14% on Friday before paring some of its gains to be up about 3%. The stock has fallen about 48% this year versus the Nasdaq index climbing 17% in the same time period. On Aug. 25, Powerbridge said it signed a deal to buy 5,600 miners from Crypto Digital Holdings Limited, to be delivered starting from Aug. 2021. Recently, crypto mining firms have been expanding their operations in North America, particularly in Texas. Argo Blockchain said earlier this year that by choosing the Texas location, it has been able to secure access to some of the cheapest renewable energy worldwide. Powerbridge Blockchain is a broad-based blockchain platform that combines BTC and etc. mining and digital assets, IPFS distributed network services, and industry-specific blockchain applications. Visit www.powerbridge.com/ir for more information. Safe Harbor Statement. Safe Harbor Statement. This press release contains forward-looking statements as defined by the Private Securities Litigation Reform Act of 1995. Forward-looking statements include statements about plans, objectives, goals, strategies, future events, or performance, and assumptions that are different from historical facts. When the company uses terms such as may, will, intend, should, believe, anticipate, and project, as well as statements about the IPO and listing on the stock exchange, they are forward-looking statements. Forward-looking statements are not guarantees of future performance and involve risks and uncertainties that may cause actual results to differ materially from the company's expectations expressed in the forward-looking statements. These statements are subject to uncertainties and risks, including, but not limited to, the following: the company's goals and strategies, the company future business development, product and service demand and acceptance, technological advances, economic conditions, reputation and brand, competition and pricing, government regulations, fluctuations in general economic and business conditions in China, assumptions underlying or related to any of the foregoing, and other risks contained in reports filed by the firm with the SEC. Investors are advised not to place undue reliance on any forward-looking statements in this press release for these reasons. Among others, additional factors are detailed in the company's filings with the Securities and Exchange Commission, which are available for review at www.sec.gov. Environmentally friendly, green, and sustainable energy will be used in these Bitcoin processes. On Friday, the news was announced in a press release. Powerbridge Technologies is a fast-growing technology firm that specializes in SaaS and blockchain applications. Power Crypto's goal, according to the statement, is to boost Bitcoin and Ethereum hash rates in the North American and Asian markets. Power Crypto is a significant strategic move by the company to emphasize our global presence in the crypto mining industry. Power Crypto General Manager and Chief Technology Officer Sean Wang said Wang stated that the company plans to put up mining fleets in North America and Asia to ramp up its overall hash rate in Bitcoin and Ethereum mining. Global player in crypto mining. The company intends to maximize the use of carbon-free clean energy in its global Bitcoin and Ethereum mining operations. We are ecstatic with our debut and positioning as a worldwide player in the cryptocurrency mining industry, Stuart Lohr, president of Powerbridge Technologies, said. Lohr said that Powerbridge expects high-performance, environmentally friendly crypto mining fleets to greatly increase income. Powerbridge wants to expand its Bitcoin mining capacity to 10,000 miners with a hash rate of 728 petahash per second, the company said. Lohr further stated that the company's own AI GPU operating system can support up to 100,000 Ethereum miners in operation. According to the announcement, Power Crypto's ultimate ambition with the inauguration of this venture is to increase the BTC and ETH hash rate level across the North American and Asian markets. Analytical data revealed that Bitcoin's current hash rate, measured by terahashes per second, reads 150.29 meters across a 7-day average. This is a figure considerably higher than the 2-year low of 84.8 during June this year. Stuart Lohr, president of Powerbridge Technologies, shared his company's expectations for the future of this initiative both from a financial and environmental standpoint. We are very excited about our launch and positioning as a global presence in the cryptocurrency mining business. We expect our high-performance, environmental-friendly crypto mining fleets to significantly accelerate our revenue. On Monday, the Hong Kong Monetary Authority, or HKMA, released an official white paper proposing a year-long research and development effort to appraise the plausibility of a central bank digital currency, commonly referred to as the digital Hong Kong dollar. The initiative was part of Hong Kong's Vision for FinTech 2025, a technological initiative to advance the country's infrastructure in line with modern demands. Despite fostering innovative practices in this niche, the nation's regulatory bodies have looked unfavorably on the digital asset space. Hong Kong is currently guided politically as a special administrative region of China. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.